Hello and welcome to an update video about Ethereum. And Ethereum has hit target levels, right? Hard to believe. I made a video about Ethereum a few days ago. No, actually for a couple of weeks I've been talking about these target levels, probably for the last 3 to 4 weeks actually, or a month now. First of all, I made this video when we were here back in middle of October. Updated you, I think, for the first time on the Ethereum chart based on Elliott Wave counts. Gave you that yellow target level up here. We came perfectly into it, yeah, perfectly, and you can see it on the 4-hour chart a bit clearer. We perfectly hit the wave 5 projection and gave you then the target level here between 3,150 and 3,750 or 3,800. Where are we? 3,500. I didn't really want to go into the previous videos and show you the comments, but I remember one comment: 3,500? Impossible. Right, nothing is impossible in the crypto market, and you can see actually how I don't know who else, which other YouTuber would have given you a target level like that, but we've came into it 3,500, and it just shows that Elliott Waves, I think, work. They just work. And yes, there are different scenarios. There have to be, in every technical analysis, there have to be different scenarios, because if you invalidate one pattern or one count, you have to go with the other one. You can only react to the markets. You're not making the markets. But this pretty much, whoever's been following that, yeah, I remember one of the channel members, I think, sold up here. I don't know if you rebought, but one of my key channel members sold up here just below. We re-entered we did not re-enter in the end the target level. Remember when I made this video and said, look, if we don't re-enter, we're probably going to come down, and we did that. Yeah, and again, this is and that TA works, and Elliott Wave counts work is just shown by, you know, nobody believed that we would come into this target level. Even I didn't believe it, but I just applied the rules here and it worked. It worked. So does this mean now, so what does it mean? Right, let me just show you. I'm quite pleased with that, because it just shows that everything is always possible in the crypto market. And it shows that these patterns and these counts can really pre-warn you of what is going to happen, even if everybody's very, very bullish. And it's similar to Sand and Mana, where I've been talking about corrections coming. And people just said, nah, we're going to go up. But just always, and I make these videos, you know, to prepare you for that. I mean, I'm not selling you anything here on this channel anyway, no courses or anything. The only thing you can do to support is, if you want to, go into the channel membership, join the channel membership. We talk a lot of different things behind the scenes, but that's pretty much everything. I'm not going to sell you anything on this channel or any trading courses or whatever. But yeah, basically what that would have meant here, A correction, a B correction, that's what I showed you, a C correction. And this would indicate, depending on how the market is doing, but honestly, Ethereum is holding really well. And it just shows not everything is following Bitcoin. Well, yeah, Ethereum is following Bitcoin, but if we look at CoinMarketCap, look what Ethereum is doing, what Bitcoin is doing, it is looking like that, but Bitcoin outperformed over the last 7 days. It outperformed Bitcoin massively. You know, that's why Ethereum over the last 7 days is only 5% down, where Bitcoin is 12.5% down. So that's good. And at the moment, this is a bullish scenario. Yeah, at the moment this is, because we've made a new high here, a wave 5, come down in an ABC correction, would indicate now that this ABC is over, that we continue our way up to levels above 5,000. Okay, but we need to see how the price now reacts to how Bitcoin continues. If Bitcoin drops back into the if Ethereum drops back into the target range, no problem. Yeah, this is not a problem at all. But if we rush through this target range, then there are lower prices we need to talk about, and I'm going to update you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to take it from there then. If we go back into the target range in the next video, I'm going to show you the more bearish scenario, but even that wouldn't be necessarily too bearish, but it would indicate, I think, a correction down to 2,500, 3,000 before we then continue to go up. But so far, we've hit the target level in the middle, really impressive, I think. And again, I didn't make this up. This is just by applying the rules of the Elliott Wave method. And I'm really happy that this has worked out so far, because it did pre-warn hopefully a lot of people, or made you aware at least, or prepared you mentally for moves like that. And you know, if you don't believe in it, it doesn't matter. You can just follow this channel and see if it works out. And over time, maybe you gain some trust in this method, the Elliott Wave method. And believe me, it's a lot of work. It looks simple, but it's a lot of work to apply that and to make sure, because there are so many different possibilities and people apply different wave counts different ways. But this one I think was spot on, and I hope I could help a lot of people with that. So if you liked that video, please smash the like button, comment as well. And if you really like the content, maybe you want to consider to join as a channel member. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.